Good afternoon everyone. I'm Sister Libby, Principal of Nagle Vidhya Bhavan. Today is not just about showcasing our students' robotics projects, about understanding why robotics is so important for the next generation. Technology is changing the world at lightning speed. Robotics is at the heart of this change, from healthcare to space exploration.
Ryan Rijo. Joachim Zarain from class 3B. We are studying in Nagle Vidhya Bhavan. Today we are creating a game using microbit. Microbit is a tiny pocket-sized computer. It's very familiar to all of us. Rock, paper, scissors game. It working as us when we shake microbit. Rock, paper, scissors display randomly.
Hi, I'm Jeena. I'm the computer teacher of Nagle Vidhya Bhavan Kanjoor. We know that the future world is the world of robots. Robots are going to assist in our daily life. So we should prepare our children for the future by developing robotic things. As you all know, our school is providing robotics training for our children. We are using a platform called Cyber Square for this. It's a wonderful platform for our kids for improving their talent in science and technology. They can develop their problem-solving skills, critical thinking, innovation and creativity. It also helps improve teamwork and communication. Currently, our students are developing web pages, games and robotic cars.
By learning robotics, our students develop problem solving, creativity and teamwork skills that will help them succeed in any field. Here, we believe education should prepare children for life, not just for exams. We started our robotics partnership with the Cyber Square last year. Their classes have encouraged our students to think critically, adapt to change and embrace innovations. This year, our students are participating in tech talks and robotics competitions in multiple inter-school digital fest. I thank Cyber Square for their partnership, our teachers for their dedication and our students for their enthusiasm. Together, we are building a future-ready generation. Thank you.